Imagine standing on the shore of a vast, dark ocean, tossing a message in a bottle into the waves, hoping but never knowing if it will be found. That's Voyager 1, humanity's message in a bottle, cast not into water, but into the cosmic ocean between the stars. Launched in 1977, this small spacecraft carries the hopes, dreams, and sounds of our world. It's more than metal and wires. It's a lonely ambassador, a symbol of our urge to reach out and say, "We are here." Voyager 1 was built to visit Jupiter and Saturn, then drift into the unknown. But it did more. It kept going, kept talking, sending back postcards from the edge of our solar system. It became our eyes and ears in the great beyond, a silent witness to the scale of the cosmos. Its journey is our journey. It carries a golden record, a mixtape of Earth's greatest hits, just in case it meets someone out there. The spacecraft is a marvel of 1970s engineering, with computers less powerful than a modern phone, yet it survived radiation, cold, and time. Voyager 1 is a story of resilience, a little machine that could and did go where none had gone before. For nearly half a century, we've listened to its faint whispers as it left our planetary neighborhood. In 2012, it crossed the heliopause, entering interstellar space, a moment that redefined our place in the universe. We became interstellar travelers, with Voyager 1 as our scout, our first step into the galactic wilderness. It's heading out, forever, into the great unknown. Or so we thought. The story was about to change. Voyager 1's story began with a rare cosmic alignment, a once-in-176 years chance to visit the outer planets using gravity slingshots. NASA seized the moment, launching Voyager 1 in 1977 to explore Jupiter and Saturn up close. At Jupiter, it revealed the Great Red Spot's fury, discovered faint rings, and showed us Io's volcanic eruptions. Moons were alive, not dead rocks. The universe was more dynamic than we'd imagined. Voyager 1 then used Jupiter's gravity to reach Saturn, giving us our first detailed look at its rings, thousands of ringlets, shaped by tiny moons. It flew past Titan, a world shrouded in orange haze, hinting at methane seas. That flyby bent Voyager's path up and out of the solar system, setting it on a one-way trip to the stars. Decades passed. Voyager kept reporting from deep space. In 1990, at Carl Sagan's request, it turned its camera back for the pale blue dot, Earth as a tiny speck in a sunbeam. That image changed our perspective forever. Afterward, its cameras were turned off to save power, and Voyager became a silent traveler, its instruments still sensing the void. The journey outward continued. Voyager 1 was a cosmic explorer, equipped to answer fundamental questions about the giant planets and their moons. At Jupiter, it found volcanoes on Io and cracks on Europa, hinting at a hidden ocean, raising the possibility of life beyond Earth. At Saturn, it revealed Titan's thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere, more like early Earth than anywhere else. Voyager's discoveries transformed our view of the solar system, from a collection of planets to a family of unique, fascinating worlds. Even after leaving the planets, Voyager's mission continued. It measured the solar wind, then, in 2012, crossed into interstellar space. For the first time, we could directly sample the space between stars, cosmic rays, interstellar medium, the galactic air. Voyager became a pioneer, tasting the unknown. Its data continues to shape our understanding of the cosmos. It showed us that the universe is more complex and more alive than we ever imagined. Voyager's legacy is discovery itself. And then, the unexpected happened. For nearly 5 decades, Voyager 1 was on a one-way journey, moving ever farther from Earth. Its path was set, determined by physics, gravity, and the slingshot from Saturn. Every day, it drifted deeper into the void, its signals taking over 22 hours to reach us. Then, in August 2025, the unthinkable happened. NASA's Deep Space Network picked up a signal Voyager's data stream, long plagued by glitches, suddenly stabilized. But the telemetry was baffling. The Doppler shift, used to measure its speed and direction, had changed. Voyager 1 was no longer moving directly away from us. Its velocity relative to the Sun had shifted, as if nudged by an unseen force. Scientists scrambled to check for errors, but the data was real. The world froze. Voyager 1 is turning back. It was a headline out of science fiction. Objects in space don't just turn around on their own. Newton's laws say an object in motion stays in motion, unless acted on by a force. What force in the emptiness of interstellar space could change Voyager's path? The anomaly was undeniable. The world held its breath, waiting for answers. Voyager 1, our silent ambassador, had become a cosmic mystery. The story was no longer about departure, it was about the impossible. The universe had thrown us a curveball. The announcement sent shockwaves through science and the public alike. For scientists, Voyager's turn was a challenge to the very laws of physics. Was our understanding of gravity incomplete? Was there a new force at play? Theories and speculation exploded, some plausible, some wild. The public was captivated. Was it aliens? A cosmic message? Or something stranger? For the engineers who'd cared for Voyager for decades, it was deeply personal. Their mission shifted from farewell to urgent investigation. Voyager 1 was no longer just a probe. It was the protagonist in a cosmic drama. Scientists raced to explain the anomaly. Was it a stuck thruster, firing imperceptibly, or a subtle interaction with the interstellar magnetic field? These internal explanations seemed unlikely. The change was too smooth, too consistent. Maybe Voyager had entered a region of space with unusual properties, a dense cloud, or even the gravitational field of a tiny, undetected black hole. Some proposed new physics. Perhaps gravity behaves differently over vast distances. Others revived the idea of modified Newtonian dynamics. Could Voyager be the first to experience it? And of course, the alien hypothesis lingered. Had something found Voyager and sent it back? Most scientists doubted it, but the evidence was strange. The most likely answer was something new, something we hadn't imagined. Voyager 1 had become an experiment at the edge of the possible. Imagine Voyager 1 on a new path, a slow arc that over millennia brings it back toward the solar system. For decades, it symbolized departure. Now it could become a symbol of return. The journey back would offer a new perspective, seeing our home from the outside, as an alien traveler would. Over thousands of years, the sun would grow brighter in Voyager's sky, the planets reappearing from a new angle. It would map the outer boundaries of our solar system from the outside in, giving us a three-dimensional view of our cosmic home. Eventually, it would see Earth again, but not the same Earth it left. Continents might shift, climates change, and humanity's fate would be unknown. Voyager's return would be the ultimate message in a bottle, arriving on a shore that may no longer exist. It's a humbling thought, a reminder of cosmic timescales. The prodigal probe, returning with stories from the stars. Voyager's potential return forces us to confront the value of an outside perspective. Its pale blue dot photo showed us our world's fragility in the cosmic dark. Now, as a returning interstellar monitor, Voyager could reveal how our solar system interacts with the galaxy. It would be our sentinel, sampling the interstellar medium, warning us of cosmic storms. The event reignites questions about our place in the universe and the possibility of contact. The golden record, a greeting to the unknown, becomes a symbol of hope and curiosity. If we received such a probe, how would we react? Voyager's anomaly is a global thought experiment, pushing us to imagine the unimaginable. Science thrives on mystery. Anomalies are opportunities, not failures. The journey of discovery is far from over. Voyager 1's saga is more than a scientific curiosity. It's a mirror for humanity. It began as a testament to our ambition, gave us the pale blue dot, and now presents a profound mystery. It embodies the spirit of exploration, courage, wonder, and humility. Space exploration is not a luxury, it's who we are. Curiosity drives us to cross oceans, continents, and now, the stars. Every mission like Voyager is an investment in knowledge and inspiration. These stories unite us, lifting our eyes from daily struggles to the cosmos. Voyager inspires new generations to ask, what's out there? As we listen for its next whisper, we're reminded, we're all passengers on a pale blue dot, hurtling through the cosmos. The journey is everything, so keep exploring, keep questioning, and never lose your sense of awe.